let's do Miss You by the Rolling Stones. Most of it is, besides the bridge, is just A minor 7 to D minor 7. Adding some of these extensions too. The bridge is F, E minor 7, D minor 7, and then I'm just sliding up from the 4th fret to the 5th. Pretty much it. A minor pentatonic and D minor pentatonic. And they overlap a lot. And then if you want to play some chord fragments, you can play top 4 strings for on fret 5 for the A minor 7. Fret 5. Go to fret 10 and play the same thing. That's another way to play it. This is A minor 7, and then you play it at the 10th. It's D minor 7. You can play, they play this in the song. That's just A minor fragment on the top 3 strings, 12 at high E, 13 on the B, 14 on the G. And then we can go to the D minor 7 here, playing the top 4 strings at the 10th. You can do the same thing at the 5th fret for the D minor 7. So you can mix all of those together. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.